Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Taigang Puxin Stainless Steel Company. The company was founded in 2010. Now let's visit our office. Currently, there are more than 100 employees. Now we are in our sample room and this is our sales manager, Mr. Liu. Hello, Mr. Liu.
Hello, Fiona.
Hello. So we can see there are so many stainless steel products here. Can you introduce some of them for us?
Yes, sure. We're a professional steel supplier with good experience of manufacturing and export. Here I'd like to introduce some products from our factory. We have some stainless steel products. This is stainless steel sheets with different surface treatment. And this is the BA surface treatment. It's like very polished in bright surface. You also have some galvanized steel products. This is galvanized steel pipes coated with galvanized coated angle bar, aluminum bar, and galvanized steel wire. Welcome you to come to our factory and have a good visit.
Here is our stainless steel coil warehouse. Now let's visit our workshop. We are going to visit our stainless steel punching production line. Each of stainless steel sheet like this is made from stainless steel coil. There is a protective paper in the middle of each board to prevent the board from scratching the surface as it comes down. We will put about 10 tons of boards on a wooden pallet for the storage. Here are our cold-rolled stainless steel plates. We can produce plate thickness from 0.6 mm to 3 mm. For example, this is 304 and the thickness is 1 mm. And here is our stainless steel slitting production line. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely. This is our stainless steel coils and plates warehouse. Puxin specializes in the production of stainless steel plates, stainless steel tubes, stainless steel rods, and other stainless steel profiles. Cooperate with many partners all over the world, such as America, Europe, the Middle East, and so on. We are sincerely looking forward to cooperating with you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.